Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain some more numerical problems on coordinate geometry. Now, here the problem is find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. That means vertices of a triangle, 3 points given, vertices of 3 triangles. Vertices of a triangle, 3 points, 3 vertices given. So, suppose, see here 3 vertices given, let the 3 vertices are belongs to ABC. So, 0, -1, 1.2. The B point is 2, 1, no. The C point is 0, 3. Let these points be ABC. Given points, see triangle formed by these vertices, A, B, C vertices, one triangle is formed. What is asking? Find the area of the triangle formed by the midpoints of the sides of a triangle whose vertices are, this triangle is there, another triangle formed by the midpoints of the sides. That means what? Midpoint of AB you take, midpoint of AC you take, midpoint of BC you take. These midpoints, by joining we will get another triangle. Suppose that is DEF. So DEF means first A, D, okay, E, F. Is asking the area of DEF and the ratio of this area to the total area. That means area of ratio of DEF is to ABC. First we calculate the areas, means ratio we can simply will write. How to calculate means what? First the vertices we want means what? Midpoints you should calculate. Midpoint of AB is D, midpoint of BC is F, midpoint of AC is E. So DEF points you calculate. Then once you know the vertices of DEF, we can calculate the area of mod using that formula. Then ratio we can find out. Okay. First we should call midpoints. First write, let A 0, -1, B 2, 1, C 0, 3 are the given points, given vertices of the triangle, given vertices of the triangle. Let D is the midpoint of, see D is the midpoint of AB, comma E is the midpoint of, here write E, order will come, okay. E is the midpoint of BC, F is the midpoint of AC. So you think like that, DEF midpoints. So we can calculate the midpoint. Therefore, coordinates of D, coordinates of D, coordinates of D means what? The D point, coordinates of D, D is the midpoint of AB. AB points you write 0, -1, no? 2, 1. Line joining these 2 points, midpoint. Midpoint formula is what? M1 plus, here not distance between, only midpoints. Midpoint of these 2 points. So x1, y1, x2, y2 right. This is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now what? x1 is 0 plus 2 by 2, comma -1 plus 1 by 2. You observe. See, x1 is 0, x2 is 2 by 2, -1, y1 is, y2 is 1, this is plus only by 2. So 2 by 2, comma 0 by 2. That is 1, comma 0 by anything is 0. Therefore, D 1, 0. Here also you can write we want 1, 0. E coordinates of E. Coordinates of E means midpoints of BC, that points 2, 1, 0, comma 3, x1, y1, x2, y2. Point is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now calculate 2 plus 0 by 2, y1 is 1 plus y2 is 3 by 2. That is 2 by 2 comma 4 by 2. 2 by 2 comma 4 by 2. 1 comma 2. This is what E. E is equal to 1 comma 2. E point only right. E is equal to only. E 1 comma 2. E point. F. Coordinates of F. Coordinates of F. F is midpoint of AC. We wrote already those. AC. A point is 0 minus 1. C is 0, 3. Here x1, y1, x2, y2. Therefore, x2, x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 is 0, x2 is 0 by 2, minus 1, y1 is, y2 is 3 by 2. That is 0 by 2 comma 2 by 2. That is 0 comma 1. 0 by 2 is 0. 2 by 2 is 1. This is which point? F point. Okay. Once you got D, F points. Now D comma E comma F points D 1 comma 0, E 1 comma 2, F 0 comma 1. These points only there. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, right? Area of triangle DEF of mod, what is the formula? x1 into y2 minus y1 plus x2 into y3 minus y2 plus x3 into y1 plus y3 mod. This is the formula. 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. This is the formula. Okay. Now, substitute the values of these. Of mod x1 is 1 into y2 is 2 minus y1 1, 2, 3. y2 is 2, y3 is minus 1 plus x2 is 1, y3 1 minus y1 is 0 plus x3 is 0 into y1 is 0, y2 is 2. Why I wrote here plus or here minus? Okay, minus. Okay. Now of mod 1, this is 1 only. 1 into 0 minus 1, 1 only. 0 into anything is 0, no need to write. Once 0 came means no need to write. Half into 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 2, that is 1. Area of DEF is equal to 1 square unit. 1 square unit came. Okay, that is the answer. But ratio he asked. Area of, now area of triangle ABC. Here the points A is 0 minus 1, B is 2 1, C is 0 3, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now substitute in of mod x1 into y2 minus y3, 3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, 3 to 1. Substitute these values. x1 is what? 0. y2 is 1. y3 is 3. Plus x2 is 2. y3 is 3. y1 is minus 1. So minus of minus plus 1. x3 is 0. y1 is minus 1. y2 is 1 minus 1. Okay. Half mod. 0 into anything? 0. No need to write. This is 0 only. Plus 2 into this 4 you write. This is also 0 into anything? 0 only. Half mod. These zeros only. This is 8. 8 by 2, that is 4 square units. Here mod you are removing y because area is always positive. That's why positive values only you are taking. So now ratio of triangle, this area, which area DEF is to triangle ABC we want. So find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle ABC. Now you write triangle DEF is what? 1 now, is to 4. This is the required answer. Okay. Like this, first we should calculate the midpoints. You calculate. Now later we want means here you write in exam E points 1, 2, F points 0, 1. Okay. I hope everyone understood this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.